What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have something very special. We've been working closely with an awesome company to get some performance parts on the Wrangler and ready for Jeep Beach. Today we actually got the box in, and we are one of the first, actually I think we are the first and only JL to have this from this company. And if you guys, when I turn this around and you guys see this box, if you guys are a fan of Ryan's channel, you'll know exactly what this is. So as you can see from the not so subtle box, we have the Flo-Pro performance exhaust, and this is for the JL. This is brand new to Flo-Pro. They actually work mostly with diesel and truck exhausts. So Flo-Pro actually reached out to me a couple months ago and said, hey Ben, I don't know if you'd be interested in an exhaust, but we are planning to release a JL as well as a JK exhaust for the Jeeps. And I said, absolutely, that would be awesome, because I was looking for an exhaust, and actually I knew of Flo-Pro through Ryan's channel over here. So they sent me some pictures, they sent me some ideas of, you know, how the exit's gonna be, a straight out the rear, and then they also have an axle dump. We actually went with the axle dump because I thought it was a little bit of a cleaner look. So let's break this box open and see what we're dealing with here. Okay, got some couple clamps, about four clamps here. A bunch of tubing. So there's the tip.
Oh, that's actually sick.
Yeah, it's actually really nice.
Oh, I love those beveled tips.
I like how it's beveled, yeah.
No, that's miter, but I like this, how it's not rolled.
Oh, yeah.
It's got that level in there.
It's got some decent weight to it. I love when companies send stickers. But yeah, so it looks like it's gonna be fairly simple. All right, so we made it this far. We got the Jeep up on some ramps. We got the exhaust out, everything. Since we just drove it a little bit, we're gonna make sure, yeah, no, we're good to go. So now that the exhaust is cooled down, we are gonna start tearing it apart. This install shouldn't take more than like an hour at most. We don't have an exhaust hanger tool. We actually forgot it at work, so we're just gonna have to use some pry bars and some lube to get the exhaust hangers out, but it shouldn't be much of a problem after that. The install looks very simple and straightforward. Looks like they did give us the pipe for the axle dump, but they also included the pipe that goes straight out the back. We're gonna go with the axle dump, and I was reading through the instructions. Looks like we're gonna get about 2 inches of ground clearance from just this exhaust system itself, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about that getting caught up on anything. So we're gonna go ahead and dive right into taking this thing apart. And actually, before I forget, I'm gonna get a before sound clip of the stock exhaust, and then we're gonna get a after clip when we actually have it on. So yeah, looking to improve that sound just a little bit. So we're gonna start here at the muffler and then keep removing pipe all the way forward. Make it a little bit easier, and then when we put the new exhaust on, we're gonna start at the front and work our way back. Alright, so easy enough, about 10 minutes. We had the exhaust system taken out. It has just 2 clamps and 3 hangers. This was harder because the hangers on the muffler are kind of facing each other, so you had to rack it back and forth to get one of them out, and once you got that out, second one came pretty easy. One clamp here, another hanger, and then the clamp right there. So here we go. Out with the old and in with the new.
Pop that cherry.
Alright, and there we have it. Really easy install. Hardest part was deciding where to put the hanger mount for the smaller muffler. But yeah, pretty straightforward. Straight down into the muffler, straight up over, and then I decided to go with the axle dump. We do have this extra piece here that it came with in case you wanted to make it a straight pipe out, you know, back under here. But I do like the axle dump look. It's tucked up under there, and I just like the clean look of no muffler on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds. And this thing sounds so freaking good. Ryan was back here when I had my camera sitting here, and he said it sounds amazing from the back. I could only hear it from the front. I didn't run back around, but I could hear it from, you know, the driver's seat with the door open. It's like the exact sound I was looking for, just like a lower tone. You know, I didn't want anything too, you know, high-pitched or, you know, ricey sounding. The lower tone definitely gives it a nice, more, you know, better rumble, especially with the new air intake. That sounded so perfect. That sounded exactly like what I'm looking for. Flo-Pro designed this exhaust so you could get 2.5 inches of ground clearance. So I do like the axle dump look. Like I said, if you actually take the tip off, they say it gives you a little bit more, but because I did the axle dump, you have 2.5 inches. To get 2.5 more inches and a better sound, it only took us about 45 minutes to install the whole thing. Absolutely just did it right here. You can see, you know, not even in the garage. We were just on the pavement outside. You don't even really need these ramps, but obviously it helps to get underneath the Jeep a little bit better. So we're gonna clean all this stuff up real fast, and then we're gonna take it out for a test drive.
With your foot on the pedal. I want to hear what it sounds like. Just cruise at like 50. That's what I'm doing. I mean, under acceleration you want the tone, but you don't want to. Yeah, you don't want that drone on the while driving. So
it looks like it's just while I'm
accelerating, which is perfect.
Yeah, I'm accelerating. I was worried about drone too, but there's none. Gear switching and like the automatic, but because I'm in control of all that, like I can control, I guess, like the pitch if you will. But yeah, just cruising along here, no drone. We're 4th gear, 45. It's like, you can hear it, but it's not, I mean, it's nothing crazy that would just bother you at all. So you can barely hear it from in here. Nice low tone. When we walk outside here, That sounds perfect. That's exactly the sound I'm looking for. So obviously besides the tone, we are getting better ground clearance out of this. Flo-Pro definitely did an amazing job on this. I like how they gave us the option to do the axle dump or have the straight pipe come out of the rear. That way you can do, you know, whichever one you want, whether you want the tailpipe sticking out or if you just want to leave the axle dump in there nice and tucked up and away, a little bit more ground clearance. But I am very, very happy with the results of the Flo-Pro exhaust. If you guys are a fan of Ryan actually has a Flo-Pro exhaust on his Ram out front. And that thing is just amazing, sounds really good. But again, this is new for Flo-Pro, is that they're just getting into the Jeeps. They actually have the exact same exhaust for the JK as well. So if you have a JK or JL, look into Flo-Pro. Their exhausts are amazing. Their install is super easy. They sound amazing. They give you a little bit more ground clearance and I couldn't be any happier. Pretty much within 40-45 minutes, I had this thing right out here in my driveway, completely torn apart and put back together. But anyways, that's gonna do it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have not been here before, get down there, hit subscribe. We are doing a giveaway from RBP at 5,000 subscribers. We're only like 200 away. So get down there, hit subscribe, leave your Instagram handle in the comments below, leave this video a big thumbs up, and we'll catch you in the next one.